Today's video sponsor, Progressive Desk. As you guys may or may not know, I recently moved, and moving is always a struggle, but this time I struggled a lot with trying to figure out what to do with my old desk, which was literally falling apart. So I reached out to Progressive Desk, and they agreed to send me one of their Solo Ryzer series standing desks. And so far, I honestly couldn't be happier with it. The delivery was really quick, and I wasted no time assembling it, the process of which was fast and very simple. Since I do so much work at my desk, I end up spending a lot of time sitting down, which I know is not good for my body. That's why I am so excited to finally have a standing desk so I can get some work done and stand on my feet at the same time. Each desk has a 270-pound weight capacity thanks to the support of the dual motor system. It has an automatic collision detection system, a 15-year warranty, and is customizable to a very large degree. And let me just tell you, I was pretty shocked at the range of heights that this desk accommodates. Mine measured over 2 feet of vertical range, which definitely suits just about any range of use that I can think of. Progressive Desk also sent me some additional but optional accessories, like a separate height controlling remote if I ever want to replace the standard one I've already put on, a headphone hanger that mounts easily underneath the desk, and a wireless phone charging pad because, why not? It also came with a grommet which I can run all my cables through, and an under-desk cable tray which can keep all the cables out of sight and organized. And of course I also got the anti-fatigue standing mat which you saw me use when I was putting together the desk. Overall, the desk is awesome and I'm super pleased with it. Please be sure to check out the links in the description and use the code GAMINGSETUP for 15% off your purchase. Thank you once again to the wonderful people over at Progressive Desk, and now back to the video.